So there is something called sale price to list price ratio. What does that mean? Well, what that basically means is we listed at X number, what did it sell at, and what's that percentage? So as a listing agent, of course, we're always looking for 100%. We want to sell it, close at the number we listed at. Why? Our sellers are happy, and they'll tell other people, and other people will use our services, and of course that makes us happy because that's how we grow our business as sellers. Now, in the current times that we're in, they're crazy. We're getting over 100%. I've got to be honest with you. The standard pre-craziness was if you were to get 95% of the list price, that was considered a victory. That was considered pat on the back, great job. Unofficially, I haven't seen this anywhere, but I would say if you're not getting 100%, you're a failure. To put it blunt, as a listing agent. I mean, listen, I have a couple listings that are languishing on the market. There's certain circumstances that will not get 100% list price, but generally speaking, for the most part, the run-of-the-mill house, townhouse, or condo, you should be getting over 100%. So don't clap yourself on the back. Don't pat yourself on the back if you're getting 100% nowadays. You should be getting 100%. You should be getting like 115% of ask. And that's because when you look at the comps to list the house as a listing agent, again, you're looking at the sold properties. Our average price point in Pittsburgh used to be down in 140s, 150s. Then it went up to 181. It's up to like and it went to 250. It's up to $281,000. That's $100,000 over like a year ago or 2 years ago. So if you're as a listing agent and seller looking backward at the sold comps, it's hard to mentally predict how much further in value that house has increased. And honestly, that's okay. I tell all my sellers, the market will correct the sale price. If you think it's worth $400,000, right? And the best comp I could find is $380,000. Again, that's a sold comp that's in the history, and we listed at $390. If it is in fact worth $400 or more, that market, those buyers will come flooding in, multiple offers, over ask, and the market will correct itself. So you're not going to leave money on the table in today's economy because there are so many buyers out there. Now, back when it was a buyer's market and there may not have been a lot of buyers out there, and you did kind of have to wait for that buyer to come on the market, I wouldn't be listing lower than I felt it was worth. I would probably list at what felt it was worth and negotiate down 5% from there. But we know the greenest agent in the world, the agent just got their license yesterday, knows. That's because buyers know too that there's more than one buyer for just about every property out there. All right, hope that helps. Sale price to list price ratio, shooting for a minimum of 100%. 115 means you did a good job. 5 stars.